Hi, this is Ray Guest with Remax Platinum. In one of the other videos, I just left off here and went down to the point and shot video 2 of Deerfield Hills Nature Preserve. And now I'm kind of here. I'm going to head up this other trail. There's miles of trails here. My battery's dead, so I'm probably not going to get very far. I didn't tell people how to get here. This is on the corner of Cohocta and Green Road. Cohocta is spelled C-O-H-A-C-T-A-H, I believe, and Green Road. And it's actually, I've been saying this in southwestern Genesee County. We're actually in Livingston County, just over the county line. It's really beautiful here, and it's really a nice resource for this area of the two counties. A lot of nice hiking trails in Genesee County over, the other side of Fenton and over in that area. But over here, this is about all there is, and but it's really a beautiful resource. And taken care of by private volunteers, groom the trails, and it's just a really nice place. My number is 810-444-4168, and my website is www.rayguest.com. You're probably at the website if you're seeing this, but you could be at my YouTube brand channel too. So go to rayguest.com for all your home search and real estate info needs. And I hope you enjoy this amateur video. And I hope you're in the area where you can come and enjoy this resource. My battery's dead, so I'm going to turn the video camera off and try and save the last of my battery for phone calls. Again, this is Ray Guest with Remax Platinum. Hope you're having a great day. Take care. Bye.